Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your calculator supports hyperbolic functions. If not, use a scientific or graphing model. Once done, set the angle mode, radian or degree, matching the problem statement because Sinh expects plain numbers but inputs sometimes derive from angles. Make sure the memory and previous entries are cleared to avoid accidental concatenation. Now press the hyperbolic or shift/second key that reveals Sinh. If it's a menu, open the math functions list to expose Sinh so you can input the argument next. You now enter the value whose hyperbolic sign you need. If it's an expression, wrap it in parentheses, for example 3 + 1/2, because calculators evaluate functions of the entire grouped expression. Once entered, press the compute key. On some models you press equals, on others a separate execute key. Watch the display for scientific notation or overflow warnings. If output looks wrong, check mode and parentheses. If you need greater precision, switch to a higher display digits, setting, or use a graphing calculator. You finish by verifying the result. Compute EXEX/2 manually or with the calculator's EXP key to confirm. If the value seems off, make sure you used the correct angle mode, closed all parentheses, and didn't hit a preceding memory value. Once done, handle very large inputs by using logarithms or scaled forms to avoid overflow. Otherwise, try a different device or app. A quick troubleshooting tip: if you get an error, toggle the shift/second key and reselect Sinh. Menu misselection is the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.